strategic planning, effective execution, time management skills with the ability to revise and recall. All of it combined is the winning solution for the UPSC Civil Services Examination. The Bengaluru GS Foundation Course 2026 offers you just that and more. Meticulously designed to refine your preparation for prelims, mains and interview, the course offers complete coverage of the syllabus, dedicated mentoring, test series, performance analysis and guides you on the way forward to UPSC success. Starting from 18th February at 8 a.m., enroll to build a strong foundation and channelize all your energy towards a steady direction with holistic coverage by expert faculty from Delhi.